Excuse me, can I sit here? Oh, thank you. Hey, would you give me $1 to buy? Hey, buddy, how are you? Would you give me $1 for a coffee? No, $1, give me. سلام علیکم برادران، سوزه نغزه سلامتیتون خوبه. این ما اکسپریمنتی گرنی کلان میکنیم با همراهی برادر مصطفی و شهر ترکیه. انا ما از لوبای آدمی که در اینجا هست توریست امریکان سعی میریم میپرسیم که $1 من بده که یاردمون میکنه نمیکنه ریاکسیون آدما رو میفهمیم که چه ریاکسیون میتن. Excuse me, can I sit here?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, thank you. Hey, how are you? It's nice weather, right? Nice. Yo, they have a nice coffee over there.
Which way?
Right there.
Oh, over here?
They have a perfect coffee. Would you give me $1 to buy a coffee for myself?
I think I might got $1.
Oh, thank you so much. We are doing a social experiment. You're very nice girl. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're the best. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. You're the best. Thank you. Hey, Mira, how are you? You want a picture?
Yes.
You want me to take a picture of you?
No.
Where are you from?
Grecia.
Grecia. My name is Mirali.
My name is Vicky.
Vicky, nice to meet you, Vika. Do you have Ruski, yeah. Do you have $1 to give me?
No.
$1.
No money.
Just $1.
No, muy money. Muy money.
Yeah.
No, muy money.
Oh, that's the money.
After.
Okay, give me. Yo, hold on. I'm joking. Okay? Bye. Hey, there's a camera right there. Say hi.
Hello.
Grecia.
Grecia.
The nice lady, the best lady. Good lady. Yeah, last lady in New York City. Yo.
How you doing, bro?
Yo, give me $1, bro.
$1, man.
Yeah,
I
for
lost,
a
man.
coffee,
I broke, man.
Just $1.
I'm working, man.
Come
I'm
on,
working.
you
I start paying taxes, man.
you should help
Yeah, man,
people.
Maybe this guy got money, man. This guy got more time.
Which
I
guy?
got the half hour here.
Just $1. Maybe this guy. Yo, what's up, bro? Give me $1 for coffee. $1.
Hey, my friend, $1 is nothing, my friend.
Yeah.
Maybe 2, 3, my friend.
No, $1. Give me.
Oh, for you?
Yeah,
Why?
coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah, just $1 for a coffee. Come on, man.
Next time.
$1.
Listen,
Oh,
Batman is my boss.
okay. یکم کس نیاز دیوردم و نمیکنم این سال لیباسی نغزنی پیشتر گوشی بوار تن نمیکنن یوردم تن نمیکنن لیکی چند تا ریاکسی دیونه گرفتیم های آدمو
I'm sorry, I haven't got any cash.
No cash? No.
Just arrived, we haven't left any cash. Sorry about that.
Would you want me to give you $1?
No, that's fine.
You
No,
sure?
no,
I got it. I'll give it to
No,
you.
I'm good, honestly.
Oh, so you can't help me with $1?
Huh?
You cannot help me with $1?
No, I can't. I don't have any cash.
I give you $1.
No, I don't need it.
You don't want a
'cause
coffee?
I just pay my card. So
All right,
No,
eh?
thank you.
That's experiment. Say hi. Say hi. Say the.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hello. Can I sit here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I ask you a favor? Would you give me $1?
I don't have any money on me, I'm sorry.
Please, just
I
one.
literally don't carry cash on me, I'm sorry.
I take cars.
I'm not gonna give you my card.
No, just $1. You don't have quarters? Like for one coffee, I'm so cold.
I'm sorry, I just have my card on me.
Where are you from?
I'm from here.
So why don't you help me $1
Because
for a coffee?
I don't carry cash on me.
Oh, just 50 cents?
I don't carry money on
25 cents at least.
Like literally don't care if I'm sorry.
I'm gonna cry right now.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Next time, right? Next time you see me, you help me out.
I mean, I don't carry cash on me, so I don't think that would
Maybe
help.
next time you have to change something,
You
no?
could probably ask someone else.
Okay, I'll do it. Bye. Hey, where are you guys from?
I'm Brazil.
Brazil, São Paulo, Rio?
No, Paraná.
Okay, would you give me $1
Yes.
for the coffee? Thank you. You're so nice. Very nice. Yeah, beautiful. Only $1? Mira. Only $1?
I don't have cash.
Sure.
Sorry.
You ladies, what's your name? You're so beautiful.
Myra.
Myra.
Mariana.
Mariali, Mirali. This is for you. This is for you. We're doing a social experiment. You're just helping me. Thank you so much. Hey, buddy, how are you? Would you give me $1 for a coffee?
Porque tiene un peso ahí, porque a él. Porque si tuviera cogido el zapato, yo no tiene que bajarlo. Agárramelo.
Gracias.
$2.
Oh, thank you. You're the best, amigo. Thank you. I don't need it. We're doing an experiment right there. Say hi. You the best. Experiment. You good people, good family. So you helping me, you know? Thank you guys. Do like this.
Oh.